Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Tommy and Indiana. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham. In today's video, what I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about, I would like to give you guys some overall thoughts and thinking about how my in the world has my day been. How's how my couple days been, thinking about the rest of my life at so many places in the United States. From like going to Niagara Falls, to going to like Gatlinburg, to going to like Laughlin, to going all the way around the world to like the Bahamas, the Grand Cayman Islands, the Grand Turk and Caicos, there's another one, Cozumel a couple times. Like, I gotta tell you guys something. Now, before I tell you guys this in my video coming up, I gotta tell you guys something that I thought which was so very, very, very nice. To me, I thought it was like so very caring. To me, the biggest overall thing that I myself thought, which was really kind of interesting, was that there were a lot of people in my life whenever I grew out of the kids club. They're on the Carnival Valor, on Carnival Cruise Lines, and I had to say goodbye to the Carnival Kids program. So after that, after a couple of days with going through all that, I was like thinking that, hey, what if there was a big confidence on their radio scanner feeds, in their big overall confidence on like checking them out, which is really kind of interesting. Now, 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 on my cruise to Alaska, like, I gotta tell you guys something, that me going to Alaska, that right there, I had to tell you, which was so very different. Like going there to Alaska, it was like so very fun. It was like so very into the know of like what in the world is going on. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, whenever I got there to Juneau, Alaska, where it was Ketchikan, I saw that they had a UAW place, a, a United of Automotive Workers building there on where the cruise ship is. Which to me, I myself thought which was really, really, really kind of cool, like by all means. Now, another thing too, like I gotta tell you guys, and this is another thing that to me, I I think that could be like a little different, like on my places that I go to. is like, why in the world does there have three different RIA protocols, three different areas, like three different places that makes it look overall different, which is really kind of interesting. Now, with the stuff being like interesting, the stuff being into the know of like stuff being into the know of like RIA scanners in different places. The biggest overall thing to think about is whenever you guys are like your guys' self. Sorry guys. The overall thing, which is really kind of interesting, is you guys got like overall different kinds of areas in these overall places that makes it look really kind of interesting. Like number one, you guys can like go on cruises, which is really nice if you guys have kids. They have three groups of kids clubs on some cruise ships. They have pre it goes all the way up to like age 16. And then after age 16, you guys have to say goodbye to that. And there's going to be stuff in your guides that are going to be like, what's going on? Like, what's going on with the kids club? Like, what's going on in the areas? Like, what's going on with the overall appearances and what's going on in their different places, which is really kind of interesting. Now, now, another thing too is whenever you guys are like going around and checking out the cruise ships can go either to like different areas of your choosing, like your areas of like flying, your areas of bestest overall appearances, your area of thinking about it, which is really kind of interesting for them like to go all the way around. So 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 the biggest overall thing is to think about whenever each person is going inside those areas, they are differing on the places, they're differing on the outskirts, they're differing on so many areas, which is so very neat. In my life, which is really kind of interesting. So I hope this video helps you guys out. I hope this video makes you guys want to think about like going to be safe whenever you guys are on cruise ships. So Please, you guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and you guys, I will see you guys back here tomorrow.